Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue on section 35 subsection 2AB weighted deduction. The issue before the Mumbai ITAT bench in the present case was that if the assessee applies for form 3CM for approval from the competent authority, that is in the present case is Secretary, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, and if that authority gives some approval on a date and in that approval some cut-off date is also mentioned, so whether in that case all the expenses from the date of approval should be given the benefit of weighted deduction, or all the expenses from the date of the financial year in which the application is made is to be given the benefit of weighted deduction. This issue has been taken up by Honorable ITAT bench Mumbai in the case of Kayesha Life Sciences Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 123 ITR Tribunal at page number 589. The date of the judgment is 24th October 2024. In the present case, the assessee is a manufacturer of pharmaceutical dosage form. The assessee has incurred expenditure on the scientific research both on the revenue nature and of the capital nature. The assessee applied for the approval, and this approval was granted by the competent authority, that is Secretary, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, on 23rd October 2020 for the period running from 25th October 2019 to 31st March 2020. The relevant financial year in the present case was 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020, and the assessee has applied for the approval on 26th December 2019. The apprehension of the learned assessing officer during the assessment proceeding was that the benefit of weighted deduction should be given from the date of the approval, and before that the assessing officer denied the benefit of weighted deduction of the revenue expenditure and even denied the allowability of all the expenses which were nature of capital. It was the submission of the assessee that the benefit of weighted deduction should be given from the beginning of the financial year on both the expenses, revenue and capital. If the assessing officer would have convinced that the benefit should be given from the beginning of the financial year, then in that case the weighted deduction should have been given both on revenue and capital, but the assessing officer denied the benefit of weighted deduction on some revenue expenditure which were prior to that date, and even denied the allowability of the capital expenditure. The CIT appeal also upheld the order of the assessing officer when this matter was before the tribunal. The tribunal said that in the present case, when the approval in form 3CM was given to the assessee, that in that approval it was considered that it was from first day of year in which the application was made, and the tribunal was of the considered view that in the present case for claiming the weighted deduction by the assessee under section 35 subsection 2AB, the date of approval is not important, the cut-off date mentioned in the approval is not important. The most important thing is that the assessee was having the existence of approval for from the competent authority, that is Secretary, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. So from the whole case, it is very apparent that the benefit of weighted deduction should be given from the beginning of the financial year in which the application for approval is made. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Kayesha Life Sciences Private Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 123 ITR Tribunal at page number 589. The matter has been decided by Honorable ITAT Mumbai bench, and the date of the judgment is 24th October 2024. Thank you, friends.